Road accidents are frequently caused by driver error, including speeding, distracted driving, like using phones, driving under the influence, and fatigue, along with poor road conditions and vehicle defects. Here's a more detailed breakdown of the common causes. Human factors: driver error. Speeding. Driving above the speed limit reduces reaction time and control, increasing the risk of accidents. Distracted driving. Using cell phones, eating, drinking, or engaging in other activities that take attention away from the road significantly increases accident risk. Driving under the influence, DUI. Alcohol and drug impairment severely impairs judgment, coordination, and reaction time, making driving extremely dangerous. Reckless driving. Aggressive driving behaviors like tailgating, weaving in and out of traffic, and failing to yield the right of way are major contributors to accidents. Fatigue. Drowsy driving reduces alertness and reaction time, making it difficult to control a vehicle safely. Lack of driving skills and inadequate knowledge of traffic discipline. Insufficient training or understanding of traffic laws and safety practices can lead to errors and accidents. Failure to follow traffic rules. Ignoring traffic signals, speed limits, and lane markings can lead to collisions. Road conditions. Poor road design. Roads with inadequate visibility, sharp curves, or poorly designed intersections can increase accident risk. Unmaintained roads. Potholes, lack of proper signage, and inadequate lighting can make roads hazardous. Weather conditions, rain, snow, ice, fog, and dust can reduce visibility and traction, making it harder to control a vehicle. Vehicle defects, mechanical failures. Malfunctioning brakes, tires, steering systems, or other critical components can lead to loss of control.